How to mirror the Optical Explorer screen onto a smart device. In this capsule, you'll learn how to mirror the Optical Explorer screen onto a smart device. If not done yet, install a VNC client onto your smart device. VNC Viewer Remote Desktop is an example of available solutions for iOS and Android. For this video capsule, we'll use the iOS version. Connect the Optical Explorer in the smart device to the same network without VPN. If you need assistance for connecting your Optical Explorer to a Wi-Fi network, consult the dedicated how-to video capsule. On your Optical Explorer, open the menu from the upper left corner. Tap Support, scroll down, and activate Mirror Mode. Then note the OX1's IP address and password. Open the VNC application. For the first connection, tap on the plus in the upper right corner. Enter the OX1 IP address and save. Tap Connect. Tap the password. The application starts displaying the OX1 interface. You are now ready. Any manipulation done from the Optical Explorer will be replicated on the smart device view. For more information and support, visit EXFO.com.